My beautiful and amazing people, hey, make una come out make una come hear wetin our ear dey hear omo. This is unbelievable that Ipa Chinedu aka Ned Nwoko fit do this kind thing wey we dey hear like this. My people, draw your chair come closer make una come hear matter wey dey ground. Una remember say just inside this week wey just finish so, na im dem kpakpo Anne wey be Regina Daniel best friend. They carry her from her house, warrant from nowhere come. They say no be even police, say na court warrant, say make they carry her from Lagos to Abuja. Unto which level say dem and Regina Daniel dem carry money. Una hear the information now wey Regina come on live come talk say she don go confirm am. They talk say na Ipa Ned na im send the people wey dey come kpakpo Regina, wey dey come kpakpo Anne wey be her best friend together with her brother. But only God knows wetin come later happen wey dem allow the brother go. And according to the brother now, e say na im mama and im sisters dem also for her birthday gangan they intend to carry. But as dem come house wey dem no see the mama, dem no see the sister, na im dem go for Anne wey be Regina Daniel best friend, because dem no talk say if dem see mama Regina carry on that day wey be her birthday, say na that one na im go pain Regina pass. But as dem no see am, na im dem carry her best friend. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Na im Anne don finally come expose wetin really transpired, because una know say they don adjourn the case till on the 5th of March 2026. Why are they adjourning it? My people, if to say na wetin Ipa talk say e happen, na im happen. Now, make una draw una chair come. Before I go come forget to do the needful, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had to so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, and me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small drama dey happen for inside life. According to the information where they fly about the whole media space concerning this Regina Daniel best friend Anne and Ipa Ned Nwoko. Hey, una know say on that day where they come pick her, Sammy wey be Regina Daniel brother talk say na private jet na im dey take carry Regina Daniel best friend. Say but in own case they use how many hours for road, use transport with handcuff for im hand just to carry am come where Ipa want make dem carry am come. No private jet, nothing, nothing. But for Anne case, they use private jets come carry am. So many people dey talk say Anne get level, na im make, or Anne na this. Normally, between Anne and Regina Daniel family, who suppose get level pass? Of course, na Regina Daniel family suppose get level pass. But because something wey make me wan believe the story in a way, as I hear am from information center, was the fact that they use private jets to come pick Anne up. Why? So that they go treat her well, make she fit work on their terms and condition. Hey, my people. Naimo, as Anne finally come out from detention after Sowore give Chinedu 24 hours to release am, else anything wey im dey find say im go get am, im go expose all im hidden secrets and so many talk like that. Na Ipa theories go release her, come adjourn the case till on the 5th of March. Now, according to Anne, after Sowore see Anne, they say Sowore was surprised, was shocked seeing her. That even him, he dey in mind to say him go find her, make him greet her and make them talk. But he's so surprised seeing her coming around at this particular point in time. That what is the update? Na im she say the only person wey Regina talk say she trust now like this apart from her family na Sowore. Say and that is the reason why she came to him to explain everything that has happened and how Ipaned allegedly don dey work on how to take bring Regina down through her. Na im dey say Sowore was like, bring Regina down through you? How? He say a lot of people believe in whatever I say. They believe that if I come out today come talk say na how e be this, na how e be this, people go believe me because Regina na my friend. So as such, if I wan use that one to take bring Regina down, make I work on im terms. Na im that one come say this matter na serious matter o, say make she no vex o. Im go put am on record so that if by tomorrow she fit still come compromise, e go be say this one now is coming from her. Na she say for the fact that she didn't compromise while in the station, meaning she can never compromise. Na the man say okay, make she continue. He say Ipa allegedly came and told her that here is a check without nothing wey they don write on top of am. Say make she write any amount of money wey she feel like she like, any amount at all. How many billions, trillions, anything, make she write am down. Now she come say she know wetin she dey find money for. The one wey she get, e don do her. She no need any money. Even if she need money, she know where to get money from. Say because she no want problem. As if she don't know to say this man is up to something. She wetin even come her mind when Ipa say make she write any amount was that maybe he won't come frame her with money matter so that they will come to say she actually stole money from him, you understand? So she now wetin even come her mind be that we make her say lie she no go sign to any money matter. Now she even tell am practically that, sir, why do you want to frame me? What did I do to you? Was I even in your house when that incident happened? If you know I did it, why not bring out evidence? Let's meet in court so that you bring out your evidence. Me too, I'll have my lawyer who clarify the air. And they say, Ipa tell her, say, make she know worry, make she forget about that one. No be that one be the cocoa we make a call her. The main cocoa we dey ground be say, he wants make she stand for am instead of her friend Regina Daniel. Now he say, I stand for you. How? He say, you know that I came out with a medical report of Regina, and you all know the truth that this is how it is, this is how it is. You and I know, and that is why I made a mistake to have come out on the media to come to say you be tiny devil where they supply Regina the things and things which she dey supply. But you and I know say I no lie when I talk am. In order not to implicate you now with the evidence when I get, now I want make you stand on my side, confirm wetin I talk say na true you dey supply, but now you don't repent. This one, that one, that one, that one. Or if possible, just go straight to the point that this is what Regina used to do. This is what she used to do. And Ipa never lied. Now she say, lie, oh, she no go ever talk that kind thing against her friend. And una know this their friendship between Cassie and Regina Daniel. So no be today now e start. In short, people wey know Regina go think say Cassie na her best, na her biological sister. They go think say na the same mama, the same papa na him born them. Whereas na just friends. We make as Regina don arrive, she don get small money, a buy car carry give Cassie. We make people come dey talk say Regina no wan leave Cassie because of say they do woman to woman, this one, that one. Now because of how close they are. No be today their journey starts. E don tey wey they drag themselves they come. So no be today. Belle make they come talk say na today now e start, this one, that one. Now she come say, sir, please, why not leave Regina, my friend, alone? Say na so she tell am. Now Ipa say, okay, if na like that, you know they fear anybody. He go expose them, he go bring out videos, he go do this one, he go do that one. Why is she telling him to leave her friend alone? Don't she know that he loves her friend and he want to do everything humanly possible? That the friend now don't they use his name, they collect asylum over there. She don't they lie for him head, don't they do so many things. Aside that one, even the new lover where she get, she don't they tell her so many things. The guy don't get mind, they confront him, they talk things, he just they look, he no want talk because if in talk, wetin happen before go happen again, this one, that one, and that Anne knows that he loves Regina, that even it became a thing of competition for a house between Regina and Leila. Anne can attest to all these things. Anne say she know, but she cannot attest, she cannot confirm to wetin im talk. No matter what, even if they go send her go Kirikiri, they go send her go. But as it stands now, she cannot tell him that she is going to stand for him to defame Regina just to prove a point. Na dey say Sowore open mouth down say, na the thing be that, na wetin make this man come catch you be this. So nothing like money matter ever happen, nothing like say they carry money. No wonder they adjourn the case till on the 5th of March, not even February, wey be say we never even reach, on the March. And no wonder they carry private jets, they carry you from where you dey come Abuja. Na wow. Na she say so many talks wey be say im talk, so automatically it means that Ipa Ned has another mindset towards Regina Daniel, and anything wey im fit do, e go do am just to bring that girl down and just to make sure say she return back to him by all means. So abeg, na im make she even come meet am to confirm, to confess this thing to am, say see wetin transpired for there o, see wetin Ipa talk o, see wetin im talk o, see wetin im dey plan to do o. Now im dey look for person wey go stand with am for all of this. Say make e no dey surprise if Regina Daniel brother wey dey for obodo oyibo come dey talk another thing. Say because the man now na how he wan take use the family against each other, na im dey find. For the fact say he come meet her now say make she come confirm wetin happen, say and people go believe her, meaning say he is still working underground to make sure say he shall do wetin dey im mind, make him bring Regina Daniel down by all means. Say abeg, make Sowore do everything humanly possible to make sure say he bring Ned Nwoko down instead. Say so many countless times wey be say e don carry dem comot, dem comot on their own. E start dey beat Regina say why she comot on her own, why she no tell am before she comot for house, this da. He said a lot, doing a lot, all because of say e dey insecure for where Regina dey. Say if na abuse own say e dey beat the girl, say that one no be today, e don tey. Say they should even focus on that one alone. That one alone sef is enough to bring Ned Nwoko down on countless occasions, that she can attest to it. She can come stand for Regina any day, anytime concerning that bitty matter, that woman bitty matter. Say no be today. If Regina comot, na problem. If she come back, her heart go dey jump because two things are involved. Either he beat her or he go lock her up for plenty days for that particular act wey she act like this. So say so many things wey be say her mouth sef no fit even talk am finish because of say she no get recordings to back it up. But she get so many chats wey Regina, wey maybe as she come house, wey Ipa tell her say make she dey go, wey he finally beat Regina, wey Regina come dey cry, come meet her for her DM, wey they talk all the voice record, how Ipa take beat her, how they take ended the conversation, how the conversation became messy, how this one, that one, that she has a lot of it, that she's going to play for him if he wants to, that he should please rise and fight for Regina. Even if na that domestic vow, na they even put for front. That one alone, e reach to bring Ned Nwoko down. Say she no mind anywhere, whether na the house of Senate o, whether na where o, anywhere where they want make she come, she go come play all the evidence for the, say this man is nothing but a wicked, mean, heartless man. But she for there, she tell Lam say she will go think about am o, but she still stand on the fact say she cannot betray her friend, but that she will think about it. But maybe na because of the threat wey Sowore threaten am, say see o, if you no release her, anything wey im see make him collect and hold am for body. Maybe na one of those reasons wey make he release her be that, because as she tell am say she no go do, he was angry. He even insisted that they should leave her there, they should not even bother this one, that one. All of a sudden, she was surprised seeing that they finally came and say they should release her. She was surprised. So maybe na because of that drag me, I drag you, that 24 hours wey Sowore tell am, na im give am fear. Say abeg, say she's ready any day and she's not scared of anybody. Last she go kpai, everybody go later kpai. Say she no go hide anything just to set Regina Daniel free, that she can do anything. My body weak like idodo wey fall for inside water. I am like, if this man can do all these things, can say all these things that they say, they talk so, na im be say Regina made a huge mistake to have married this man in the first place. She made a big mistake to have defended him in the first place. She made a very big mistake to have empowered this man to help am make e become the senator, because this kind person come dey rule say he wan become governor. Wetin go come be the fate of the people of the Anioma if he finally create the Anioma state, come become governor of the Anioma state? What will now be their fate? My people, it is well o. Things really dey happen. I say make I come drop the update for una as e dey hot o, as I take hear am allegedly, according to how they take talk am, say things dey happen. Nothing wey human being no fit do, no length wey dem no fit go just to put their fellow woman down. For woman wey, hey God, if only this woman just marry this man for just 1 year, she chop money go, they go say she was not patient enough. But they stayed for almost 7 years. What is that bond? What is that togetherness? If you cannot on your own allow her, let her go, or let peace reign, because of say una separate no mean say una go come turn to enemy na abi. I don see husband and wife wey dey separate, they became good friends. Why? Because of their children. But this one na lie o. Yee, make dem become good friends for where na? How na? E no fit ever possible. Na im be this one. So my people, make una come, make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.